Hello and welcome to the channel. I got a booster brick of Heroclix Avengers Fantastic Four Empyre. I did open up one of these before, but I don't have those figs anymore. I have the cards, but I don't have the figures anymore, which kind of sucks. And this brick came with a legacy card. So let's crack this open. See what we got. Scarlet Witch. Okay. I think that's from the original Avengers set. Okay. Well then, I guess I'm gonna have to look for one on eBay. I think the last time I recorded this, hang on, with just music. I'm gonna just grab random boosters and open them. I hope I get some good stuff in here. Ooh, off to a good start. Got some X-Men. Wiccan. Okay. Sweet. I didn't know there were X-Men in this set. Colossus is the rare. Okay. Here, I'll show you what I got here. Got Jubilee, Beast, Colossus, and that is Wiccan right here. And we also got a Skrull Spy. Sweet. There's a Skrull Spy, Beast, Wiccan, Jubilee. Okay, sweet. And then Colossus. Oh, this is not the set I thought. Wait, this was Avengers. Which one is the... Okay. Fantastic Four set. Maybe I didn't get a brick of this before. Alright, sweet. We got some Fantastic Four characters. Got Cyclops, Sunspot, Unknown, Human Torch, and Spider-Man. I thought I opened this set before. Maybe I didn't. Because this has the Avengers logo on it. Sunspot, Cyclops, Unknown, Human Torch, and Spider-Man. Unknown is Fantastic Four in Wakanda. Okay. Sunspot's AIM. Okay, sweet. Was there actually a Fantastic Four set? Because I know there's Future Foundations. Maybe there was a Fantastic Four set. This is Heroclix Empyre. Ooh. We got Hulking, Requiem. That's a sweet figure. The Thing, Kitty Pryde, and Rocket Raccoon. I don't think I have opened this set before. Maybe it's the Fantastic Four set. Okay. I'll have to look it up online. Okay, we got Kitty Pryde's card. I should probably show both sides, actually. Actually, what I'll do... yeah, I already didn't show the back of the other ones. Requiem. Rocket Raccoon. There's the Thing. I have most of the Fantastic Four already. I just need Mr. Fantastic and Invisible Woman. Ooh, this is a bit of a heavier one. Oh, sweet. I think I got a Silver Surfer. Got Wolverine as a Fantastic Four, got Kitty Pryde, got another Spider-Man, got Iron Man, and we got Silver Surfer. I'll pop out I'll get Silver Surfer out of there in a moment. I do want to get the Heralds. So we have a duplicate Spider-Man, unless it's a different one. Got Wolverine as a Fantastic Four character. Got Iron Man. He's the Guardians of the Galaxy version. Okay. Kitty Pryde. And we got Norrin Rod. Oh, this is a Fantastic Four version of... Is he a Chase? Or is he super rare? No, he's a Chase. That's a pretty sweet figure. His top dial is pretty good. That is awesome. And it's nice that they didn't try and pop it in there. They actually had him loose. That was the issue back in the day, is where they would try and put in every single character through the holes of the boosters. And then some of them would get damaged. Alright, another Hulking, Beldan, Jean Grey, Princess Veranke, and Golden Oldie. Sweet. Now there's a version of the Hulk. I hope I'll pull. Oh, Golden Oldie's a Herald. Okay. Jean Grey, Phoenix Force, X-Men. Oh, okay, she's Phoenix Force. Sweet. Hulking. Alright. Now onto this second row. Ooh, this one's got a little bit of weight to it. Oh, sweet. Got another big figure. Who have we got now? Oh, it's a Super Rare Prime. Ultron Pym. Okay. That's pretty sweet. And then we have Brawn, She-Hulk, Beast, and Wolverine. Where did I just put the cards? Did I not just have the cards? Hang on. What did I do with the cards? Huh. Yeah, I'll have to look for them later. If I find them, I'll tag them at the end of the video. That's weird. What did I do with the cards? Oh, well, I'll just carry on to the next booster. I could be in one of the booster packs still. I'll double check everything before I chuck anything. Okay, I got it in my hand right now. So we got Scarlet Witch, we got Ghost Rider, got Rogue and Jean Grey again, and we actually have Storm now. So weird. I don't know what I did with the cards. There's Storm, Jean Grey, Rogue, Ghost Rider, and Scarlet Witch. That's awesome. Yeah, so weird. I'll look back on the video and see what I did with them. Actually, before I continue, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take a pause right now and have a look. Okay, yeah, I have no idea what happened to the pack of cards for this booster. I'm sure I'll find it. I'll just double check on my stuff, like I said. Oh, upside down. Oh, Venom Marvel Girl, sweet. I wanted her. Got Rascor, Venom Marvel Girl, Zavin, Wasp, and Kree Soldier. There's Venom Marvel Girl. I wanted that character. Sweet, I pulled her. There's the Kree Soldier, Zavin, Rascor, Wasp, Venom Marvel Girl. I think she's a rare. Nope, she's a common. It is... Whoops. Wrong booster. Actually, yeah, no, Venom Marvel Girl is a rare. Alright, sweet. Let's see, do I... I need Mr. Fantastic and I need Invisible Woman. If they're in this set, I should be. Okay, ooh. Roland, ooh, okay. Captain Marvel, alright, with the hammer. The Daredevil, the Thing, and Wiccan again. Okay. It's so weird that I misplaced one of the packs of cards. There's Roland. He's a bit of a beast. Daredevil, Wiccan, The Thing, and Captain Marvel. Alright, last booster. And then I'm gonna go searching for those pack of cards. Try and tack them at the end of the video. Oh, sweet. I didn't get the Hulk, but got some other interesting stuff. Venom Iceman as a super rare. Agent May, and oh, I got Invisible Woman. Sweet. Black Bolt and Captain Marvel again. There's Invisible Woman right there. And that is Venom Iceman. Sweet. Agent May. I'm pretty happy with this this brick. Black Bolt, Invisible Woman, Agent May, and Venom Iceman. That is sweet. I didn't get the Hulk, but that's fine. I didn't get Mr. Fantastic, but that's okay. In future foundations, I do have Mr. Fantastic. Alright, well that's going to do it for this part of the video, and hopefully I can find the cards. I'll look around everywhere and see if I can find them and hopefully tack them on to the end of the video. If I don't, then have a good one.